In a media bin, we have some setting if we right click on video, audio, or image. In video, if you right click, you can see you can add it to the timeline at a playhead. We have some other, for example, if you want to import this video here, you can drag and drop it there. But another way is you go being playhead there, and if you right click it, add playhead video at the place of the playhead at the track number 1. It's a way to want. You can replace the media, selected media, with another media here. You can select it, for example, select your media and replace it to Ripple. You can see it to replace that to this video. It's another way to replacing. Another thing is when you right click, add to library, you can preview. As I said before, if you double click on them, you can preview on them. For example, it's a video, these are image, these are audio. You can double click on them and preview them. Or if you want to see them, you can use these things. Okay. Another thing, right click, you can update media. Update media, for example, in a video, the video has to be the same dimension. For example, in a video, I want to replace with that, this error will occur because it has to be the same format and dimension. But to better seeing that, for example, I have this image and I use duplicate that image and duplicate again, and I use this image a lot in my project. But after that, I want to replace it to something else. We have to right click on them or right click on here and update media, and you can update it, all of this image, with another image. Okay, it's very important and is useful in some heavy project. In a video, you can reverse it. Video proxy, I will show you later. You can import it to Camtasia Rev. If you want, you can delete it. You can delete all of unused media, or you can select. For example, you can see all of his video are not selected. If you right click an empty space, you can import media. You can delete unused or select unused and sort. It's a sort by anything that you want, by type, by name, by dimension. Again, within a video. Another thing important is open file in location. If you select it, it's open the file and select it in your computers. Nice. If you right click on images, again, all of these are the same, but a new thing is that you can edit in a Snagit. Snagit is another software from TextMeet company. I created lots of tutorial of the Snagit. You can explore my channel and see that. You can delete open file location, select on the timeline. Interesting. For example, you want to see, okay, select it. I want to because it is not selected on the timeline. For example, this, if you right click, you can select it on the timeline. You can see, oh, okay, it's there. Select on the timeline. Or this image, select on a timeline. Boom. See, it tells you, okay, this image will be used in this time and you can select. These are useful tricks. And in an audio, exactly the same. Okay, this is media bin settings.